Hello, how is everyone? In this video, I want to talk with you about a lot of aspects. What is a life coach? What a coach does? Why I use stories to coach children? And much more. So let's start. Have you ever watched young children at play? Have you ever watched a 4-year girl playing princess? When she dresses up and twirls around the room, what she will say? I'm the most beautiful princess in the world. Or a 4-year boy playing superhero, what he will say? I'm Superman, I'm the greatest superhero, I'm going to catch the bad guys and I will save the world. Have you ever noticed a 4-year girl when she dresses up as a princess, saying to herself, looking in the mirror, saying, does this dress make me look fat? What will other girls think? I wonder if he will like me. No. Or a little boy, when he dresses up as a superhero, when he looks in the mirror, what he will say? Man, I need to work out. What if that guy is too strong? No. They think they are on the top of the world. They think that anything it is possible for them. But if you look at the same children at the age of 12, which end of spectrum do you think are more likely to be? Are they going to say, I'm the greatest and I'm going to conquer the world side? Or am I good enough? What will everyone think side? Yes, you guess it. By the age of 7 or 8, many children have already started comparing themselves with others. Whereas several years before, they felt that they can do almost anything. But now, fear, self-doubt, judgment often creep into their lives. And as a result, children might develop limiting beliefs about themselves, about their lives, and how the world works. Our kids are learning ABC, 1, 2, 3, but they aren't learning the one thing that has the greatest impact on their happiness, confidence, and success in life. Have you ever wondered why some children have a good head on their shoulders, while others are easily influenced by peers? Why some kids have a strong self-esteem, while others never feel that they are quite good enough? Why some A students struggle in the real world, while some C students thrive? So why do kids struggle? It is because of their mindset. Just as children weren't born knowing ABC, 1, 2, 3, how to speak, how to walk, children weren't born knowing how to develop positive self-esteem, how to overcome mistakes, failure, how to manage change, how to make good decisions, how to stand up peer pressure, how to be self-responsible, how to move through fear and build self-confidence. And for sure, children weren't born knowing how their mind works. And these are the skills that all children must be taught. And here is why. All kids develop a mindset. The question is, where is this coming from? If kids aren't proactively taught how to develop a mindset based on empowerment, it will evolve on its own as a result of media, from influence from their peers, and how they decide to interpret life. And this often leads to more stress for our children. And not just for our children, for us parents as well. And this is something that none of us wants, right? Some of you might wonder, what is a life coach for children? Or some of you might say, why should I hire a life coach for children? This is not my job as a parent. Children have a football coach, right? Children have a dance coach. Children have a swim coach. So why not a life coach? Life coaching goes beyond the traditional parenting rules of morals and character development. And it goes beyond learning how to treat others and learning how to behave. What children learn during a coaching program, most of adults haven't learned. So why parents will hire a life coach? First, I would like to say that when a parent seeks help for their child, it doesn't mean that they are ineffective parents. It is the opposite. Some children require more support on learning disabilities or other in the development issues. Many children also need greater support in areas of coping with skills, building self-esteem, dealing with bullies, and so much more. And the second is parents will hire a coach because a coach has the tools, has the strategies, how to team up with the child and learn all these skills. So why I use stories and creative activities when I work with children? Because children's brains are different than adult brains. Their frontal lobes are not fully developed, and nor their critical reasoning skills. And because children's attention span tend to be a lot shorter. So that's why it is important to have fun, engaging ways to work with children. Because stories have been used since the beginning of the time, in every country, in every culture, to pass along tradition and to teach morals. Because stories have the power to transform, to inspire, and to shape how we feel about ourselves and what it is possible for our lives. Because stories stimulates multiple centers of the brain, which leads to deeper learning. And the most important stories that I'm using are great because helps children to get in touch with their thoughts and their feelings without putting them on the spot or embarrassing them. For example, the story that teaches kids about self-confidence, it's called Canville and Cantville, The Tale of Two Tongues. It is a powerful story that helps kids understand the impact of having a I can do it mindset versus I can't do it mindset. The stories that I'm using are easy to be understood. And these stories are very special because in these stories, children hear about the real problems that they might experience, such as earning a bad grade in school, getting into trouble, not being invited to a birthday party, being teased by other kids, doing poorly in a sport, and dealing with peer pressure, and much more. And as I said, I'm using activities after the stories. Activities are a great tool because it gives children a hand-on experience to help them apply the skills to the situation in their lives. So I work with children through a system that is easy, fun, and engaging. What children will learn working with a coach? Children learn how to believe in themselves and build self-confidence. Children learn how to move through anxiety and fear so they can create courage and do all the things that they love and go for their dreams. Children will learn how to make good decisions and stand up peer pressure. Children will learn how to believe in themselves from the inside out. Children learn how to base their self-esteem on who they are, not on what they have achieved or who they know. So what exactly this means? The child, every time when he fails or he makes a mistake, he knows that he can bounce back and start over again because he believes in himself. Children will learn how to overcome shyness, how to deal with bullies, and much more. Most of kids aren't taught these critical life skills to create happiness, confidence, and success in their lives. Why didn't I learn it when I was a kid? If you ever taken a personal development course or read a leadership book, you might have said the same exact words. Why is that the personal development training and leadership books are geared towards adults, when the core of the belief system which shapes our lives are developing during our earliest years? Most of us never been taught these critical life skills. Instead, we were left learning it on our own, usually after graduating from high school or college, if we were lucky enough to find it. Many parents see their children struggling with shyness, with anxiety, low confidence, and they don't know what to do about it. We can tell our children that they are great, but this is not enough. You see, no matter how much we love our children or how much time we spend with our children, we can't give them self-esteem, we can't give them self-confidence, and for sure, we can't give them success in their lives. But what we can do is to teach them to develop these skills, and this is what growing resilience in kids is all about. Many common problems that children experience can have a significant impact on their academic success, friendship difficulties, bullying, anxiety, and dealing with peer pressure. So why wait until something has gone wrong before we can intervene? Let's empower our children now with the skills they need, not only to navigate, but to create an amazing life. Kids coaching is a preventive and fast action solution. So I'm here to help. In this coaching program, your kids will learn the mindset skills to create happiness, confidence, and success in their lives. The program that I'm using, it is a proven coaching program for kids called Adventure in Wisdom that runs over the world to transform children's lives. The program is not only for those kids that struggle, the program it is for all the kids, because these skills will help them to create their lives, to create whatever they want in their lives. So don't miss my special offer on Confident Kids that is going to finish soon. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, please press the like button. Or if you have any questions, leave them in the comment box, and I will do my best to answer. And I will give you a free story now when I'm finished this video. So it will send you to the link if you want a free coaching story for your child. Thank you very much for watching, for joining. Wish you all a lovely day.